Get your notebooks ready. In this video, I want you to do a practice IELTS listening test for section 4. In section 4, you usually have to listen to a lecture or a presentation in an academic setting. So your answers are going to be set out like a student's lecture notes. Here they are. Good luck, and let me know in the comments how you do. The answers will be at the end. You're going to have 1 minute now to read and predict the answers, and then the test will start when you hear the bell. In this lecture, I will be talking about how to pass the IELTS listening test. Thank you for coming to my talk. In this lecture, I will be talking about 3 different skills you need to master before taking the IELTS listening test. They are predicting the answers, identifying keywords, and signposting. You need to make sure you are competent in all 3 skills to achieve a good band score. Let's begin by talking about the skill of predicting the answers. As you know, in the IELTS listening test, you will get some time before the recording to read the questions. You should use this time to make a mental note about what to listen for. For example, if you are given a form to fill out and there is a blank space next to a phone number, you know you will be listening for a number. To recap, make sure that you use the reading time to anticipate some of the answers. I'd now like to discuss the skill of identifying the key words. The questions in the IELTS test usually use the exact words or paraphrased words. It is a good idea to look at the answer sheet and identify some keywords that you think may be in the recording. This will also stop you getting lost, as you can follow along and wait for the word or the paraphrased word to be mentioned. Remember, the questions are in the order you will hear them, so to conclude, identify the keywords as soon as you can. Moving on. It is also important to recognise signposting words. These will tell you where in the lecture or presentation you are in the IELTS listening section 4. For instance, if you hear a lecturer say, "to conclude," you can be sure that that part of the talk is coming to an end. This will help you from getting lost and could even help you find your way back to the correct part of the answer sheet. To conclude, the 3 skills you need most to do well in the IELTS listening test are predicting, keyword identification, and signpost language recognition. Thank you for listening. Any questions? Okay, so that was the test. Make sure you've got your answers written down. Let's have a look at the answers. So number 33 was the IELTS listening test. Number 34, keywords. Number 35, mental note. 36, form to fill. 37, answer sheet. 38, we'll hear them, and 39, to an end. How well did you do? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching all the way to the end and doing the test. Let me know if you like this kind of video and I will make more of them if you do. Good luck and smash those exams.